Are you still doing everything manually? What if I told you there are free AI tools that can do your work in minutes instead of hours? Today I am going to show you the top 5 free AI tools that will completely change the way you work. Let's get into it. Number 1 is ChatGPT by OpenAI. This is the most powerful free AI tool available right now. You can use it to write emails, summarize documents, generate ideas, write code, and answer almost any question. Just go to chat.openai.com, create a free account and start using it immediately. The free version is powerful enough for most tasks. Number 2 is Canva AI. If you spend hours creating presentations, thumbnails, or social media posts, Canva AI does it in seconds. Just describe what you want and it generates professional designs instantly. Go to canva.com and use it completely free. Number 3 is Notion AI. This is your second brain. Take notes, plan projects, write documents, and let AI summarize everything for you. Perfect for students and professionals who want to stay organized. Free plan available at notion.so. Number 4 is Perplexity AI. Forget traditional search engines. Perplexity gives you direct answers with sources instead of a list of links. It is like having a research assistant available 24 hours a day. Go to perplexity.ai and try it free right now. Number 5 is ElevenLabs. This tool converts any text into natural human-sounding voice in seconds. Perfect for content creators, students making presentations, or anyone who needs professional voiceovers without a microphone. Free tier available at ElevenLabs.io. These 5 free AI tools can save you hours every single day. Try them out and let me know in the comments which one you found most useful. If this video helped you, hit subscribe because we bring you the best AI tools and tech insights every week. See you in the next one.